Today has finally arrived, 28th of July 2021, the day that I've been waiting for ever since they first announced the Nikon Z FC camera. And now in my hand, fresh out of the oven, newly collected pre-order. This is the Nikon Z FC and the 28mm f2.8 Special Edition Lens Kit. Okay, now let's go straight to the highlight of this video, the Nikon Z FC 28 2.8 Special Edition Kit. Okay, here we have the original strap, not that I'll be using, charger, battery. This is the notorious ENEL25 battery. I believe until now there still isn't a dummy battery to replace it, but now with the ZFC you can power externally with the USB-C. This wouldn't be a problem anymore. Supposedly made mostly out of plastic, but it doesn't have this cheap plasticky feeling. Feels very sturdy, very firm. You can know it's a quality product. Feels very light. Again, in your hand it feels very premium, very high quality. Not leather, but I don't know, I have no idea what kind of plastic it is, but it feels very good. One thing I noticed, it doesn't come with the hot shoe cover. Did I lose it somewhere? Is it in the package somewhere else? I'm not sure, but as I take it out of the box, it's missing. Maybe it doesn't come with one. Okay, there you have it. Everything in the box on the ZFC. I'm not gonna lie, the reason for buying this camera is mainly based on its aesthetic, but that's not to say this is an underperforming camera. In fact, the Z50 that this camera is based on, in my opinion, is one of the most underrated camera out in the market. I have been contemplating about buying the Z50 as a walk-around camera, traveling camera or vlogging camera. I didn't pull the trigger on the Z50 mainly because of the few reasons being that it has a small battery size, it cannot be powered by external power source, and it has a flip down back screen that any tripod could get in the way of. And I was looking forward to a Z52 that could address all the issues, and that would bring myself to buy one. But surprisingly, out of the blue, they announced the Nikon ZFC, which is supposedly to be the next Z52. At its heart, it's already based on the Z50, which is to me a phenomenal camera at its own right. And with the ZFC, they did two things right. One being the aesthetically pleasing retro design, and on top of that, they addressed two of the three issues that I mentioned. The battery is still the same small size, but now you can power with an external power source, and you can flip the screen on the side as opposed to the flip down screen on the Z50. So in the end, it checks most of my boxes, and I went ahead to pre-order one. My decision to get the 28 instead of the 1650mm is mainly because this is a full frame lens. I can use it on my Z6 II if I want to. One of the benefits in being one of the earliest pre-order, I was able to get this purchase with purchase item, which is the remote control MLL7 and a special SmallRig tripod that works with the remote. This is how it looks like. It's actually a tripod that you can mount the remote on, and you can use the remote with the camera like a vlogging device. I'm going to do a video to test out how well this works with the ZFC. If you're interested to find out, please subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for it. So to wrap things up, this is like a love at first sight, but it really takes holding it in your hand and really appreciate the design and the material, the quality, the finishes. It's really a beauty to behold. I really can't wait to get it out to really play with the controls, the knobs, the dials and all that. It's gonna be fun. So I look forward to that. I'll be doing more tests and review on the 28mm. I'll also be comparing the ZFC with the Z6 II to find out how they perform against each other in key components like the autofocus, the eye detection and trackings, for example. I have no doubt in my mind that the Z6 II is going to be coming out on top, but I'm just curious to find out how far behind is the ZFC in terms of performance. Okay, I'm going to stop the video here and spend the rest of the evening finding out the settings and read out the menu of the ZFC, and you'll probably only be seeing this video coming out the following day, which is the 29th of July, as it's pretty late now after collecting this pre-order after work. Again, if you find this video interesting or informative in any way, please do like and share. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell button for future notification. Thank you for watching, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye!